Restoring a system backup is a very straightforward process. You begin by selecting the server in Fiery Command Workstation that you would like to restore the backup to and launching Server Manager. Keep in mind that if you restore a system backup, all jobs currently in your job list in Fiery Command Workstation for that server will be lost, and you will need to re-import those jobs. In Server Manager, select the server icon in the left-hand column, and then select Backup and Restore. On the right-hand side, select the Restore radio button. Listed in the window directly below will be a list of all of the backup files that have been created for the server and stored in the backup folder on the selected Fiery server. You can select one of those backup files, or click on the Choose button and navigate to and select an alternative backup file. When backup files are created, by default they include in the file name the name of the Fiery server they were created on, followed by the date, and then the time of file creation. Once your backup file has been selected, click the Restore button. Notice the warning message informing you that any existing files on your server with the same name as files in your backup will be overwritten, and that any non-backed up user, workflow, and printer setups will be lost. A window will appear confirming that the restore process has been successfully completed and prompting you to restart your server in order to apply the changes. Click OK to close this window. If you change your mind and do not want to restore the backup that you just selected for this Fiery server, you can click the Reset button and no changes will be applied. You will not be able to use the Reset feature if you restart the selected Fiery server. To complete the restore process, close Server Manager, quit Fiery Command Workstation, and from the Fiery Server Control icon on your Fiery Pro server or the computer that your Fiery server software is installed on, select the option to restart the server. Upon the completion of the server restart, all of the items and settings that were part of the backup file will have been restored to your current Fiery server. Remember that any changes you made to your system after the selected backup file was created will be lost when that backup is restored onto your Fiery server. That is why it is recommended that you create new backup files regularly, especially if you make any system or configuration changes. This completes this module.